Smarties.
Hey, quick question. Have you ever held a coin in your hand and thought, wait, why does this tiny piece of metal let me buy things? Why does everyone just agree that it's worth something? That's actually one of the most brilliant mysteries in all of the human history. And today, I'm going to tell you the answer. We are going to meet a girl called Aarvee. She lived 3000 years ago. She had a big problem, and the way people solved her problem changed the world forever. Let's go! Aarvee is 10 years old. She lives in a busy village market 3000 years ago, and she grows the most incredible mangoes you have ever seen. Golden, sweet, perfect. Every morning, she loads up her basket and heads to the market, ready to trade. Now, in Aarvee's world, there's no money, no coins, no notes, nothing. If you want something, you have to trade. You give me your thing, I give you my thing. Simple, right? Aarvee thinks so too. Until today. Aarvee wants a new clay pot for her kitchen. The potter has one. Perfect. But when she offers him a basket of mangoes, the potter shakes his head. Sorry, Aarvee, I already have 20 mangoes at home. I don't need more. Aarvee stands there with her mangoes and no pot. Okay, no problem. Aarvee spots the cloth seller. She wants some cloth for a new dress. I'll give you the mangoes, she says cheerfully. The cloth seller smiles. But she wants clay pots, not the mangoes. Aarvee needs the pot to get the cloth. But she can't get the pot because the potter doesn't want mangoes. By lunchtime, Aarvee is exhausted. She has walked across the whole market 4 times. Her mangoes are getting hot in the sun. She has traded nothing. She sits down and thinks, this is impossible. Why is trading so hard? There has to be a better way. Then, an old woman in the market walks over to Aarvee. She has seen this problem before. She says, Aarvee, what if everyone agreed to use one special thing to represent value? Something small, easy to carry, that everyone accepts, even if they don't want the mangoes today. Aarvee thinks about this. What could that one thing be? Something everyone values. Something that doesn't rot like mangoes. Something you can carry in your pocket. Something that's the same everywhere. Can you think of what it might be? That's right. People in different parts of the world try different things. Shells, salt, beads, clay, tokens, and eventually the meta coins, stamped by a ruler. The same everywhere. Everyone agreed. This coin equals this much value. And just like that, money was born. Now watch what happens to Aarvee. She takes her mangoes to the market, sells them for the coins, then walks to the potter, pays coins, gets her pot. Then walks to cloth seller, pays coins, gets her cloth. In one afternoon, she solves what took her all day before. And here's the crazy thing. That agreement is still going on right now. When your mom taps her phone to pay, she's still making the same agreement. Aarvee made 3000 years ago. Okay, CoinSmarties, time for this week's challenge. It's called the swap challenge, and it's going to show you exactly why money is so clever. Here's what you do. Step 1. Find a friend, a brother, a sister, or even a parent. Step 2. Each of you pick one thing of your own. Try to swap them without using money. Come back here and tell me in the comments. Was your swap easy or hard? Follow CoinSmarties and become a money genius. Bye bye.